ZoomLock ring kits are the latest accessory for your ZoomLock crimp-to-connect tools.
These ring kits are specially designed to help you make air conditioner or refrigeration piping connections in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The jaw rings work with any ZoomLock Max crimp tool, giving you the ability to create strong, permanent pipe connections where it was previously difficult or impossible. Using the ring kit is simple. Prep the ZoomLock joint following the standard installation instructions. Insert the ZoomLock connector as usual. Slide the ZoomLock adapter ring over the connector's crimping area. Position the ring inside the ZoomLock press ring jaws and activate the tool. The jaws operate at most angles, making it easy to work around tight corners or in crowded spaces. Each lightweight kit includes a durable locking carry case, a ZoomLock press ring jaw, and 7 press fit rings ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inch.
Get your ZoomLock ring kit wherever ZoomLock tools and jaws are sold.